Welcome to the second week of this semester. I hope you have adjusted and settled. I'd like to share with you the nature of weekly assignments. As per the course schedule, the course assignments should be completed on a weekly basis or on or before the due date. Any weekly assignments will comprise of chapter quiz, chapter discussion, chapter video case, chapter assessment exercise. The unit test will cover at least 3 chapters, and on 2 different occasions you'll be required to complete 2 class projects. It is very important that you understand the assignments weight, and as you can see, each assignment carries different weight. For this week, our weekly assignments are the chapter 1 discussion, the chapter 1 quiz, chapter 1 video exercise, chapter 2 self-assessment exercise, and chapter 2 quiz. These assignments are due on Thursday, May 24th. Now you can see that all assignments for this class are scheduled to be due on each week on Thursday night. So keep this in mind. You'll find this course manageable so long as the course schedule, or so long as you complete assignments as per the course schedule and you complete assignments on or before the due date. Please keep in mind that the chapter quiz has 2 attempts. However, the video quiz has only 1 attempt. Also, you have 1 attempt on the unit test. So make sure that you are prepared and ready before launching the video exercise assignment or unit test. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions or concerns about this course. Again, welcome. Thank you.